It's going to take probably longer to make the reduction than it did to make the chicken Savoy. Alright, quick pause. Alright, you can hear that in the background. I'm going to try to get it to you real fast so you can see a little bit of it. But you're going to see the little bubbles. Look at how thick that is. Now's the time you want to add the butter. Maybe you want to cream it up, so you use butter. But if you notice, this is perfect consistency. Melt the butter, and we're golden. Alright, back in a sec. Alright, you hear it in the background, boil, boil. And that is perfect consistency. If you're using this in a restaurant, you put this over the rice, put in a little container next to you, use it as a dipping sauce. But notice how it's perfect consistency. What? This is the first time anyone on the planet is eating this, so whoa, that was very different. Yummy. Well, if you're going to try it at home, you're going to love it. The chicken's unbelievable. The reduction, that's roughly what it looks like. Use that over the rice. You could actually, you know what would be great with this? Do some spinach linguine. Bam. Throw some cheese in there, a little Parmesan Romano. Unless you don't like the Romano, then you go for the Parmesan. Yeah, that's what I taste. I could definitely use some cheese. All right. Hopefully you like it. I have a couple people that wanted to give it a taste because I told them about it, and they're like, "Oh, I gotta have a piece of that." All right. Gotta always take care of your peeps. Love you.